Hello, my little animators! How are you all doing today? I hope you're ready to bring even more magic to our animated world. Today we're going to build 3 super fun accessories and food items for our characters, the fox, the rabbit, and the hedgehog. We're going to make a fork for our fox, a yummy carrot for our little rabbit, and a juicy apple for our hedgehog. These props and food will help our story feel more real and exciting. Are you ready to get your hands a little messy and a lot creative? Let's do this! First up, we're going to build a fork for our clever fox. As always, we'll start with a simple drawing. Go ahead and sketch a fork, then let's simplify its shapes into circles and lines. Simplify its shapes into circles and lines. Today I'm going to show you how to make a miniature fork out of clay. First, roll a small piece of clay into a ball, and then a snake shape for the fork handle. For the tines, we'll make 3 more tiny little circles. Roll those into 3 tiny short snake shapes. And don't forget one more circle for the very bottom of the fork. Now, connect all the pieces together just like I'm doing. Okay, next up is a yummy treat for our little rabbit, a delicious orange carrot. Just like before, let's sketch out a carrot and simplify its shape. Now, with your orange clay, let's shape the body of the carrot. Now for the leaves. We'll need 3 little circles made from green clay. Shape those circles into teardrop shapes. And flatten them out a little bit. And for our final project, let's make a crisp apple for the hedgehog. Once again, we'll sketch our apple and simplify its shape. Then, grab your red clay and roll a perfect little circle. That's the body of our apple. Now, with your brown clay, make a tiny, short little snake shape for the stem. Attach it to the top of your red circle. Well, my little animators, how was that? If you enjoyed this episode and want to keep learning how to create your own animated worlds, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye.